Yo, blessings to all the Lithuanians out there. You know, I'm traveling from Jamaica to Lithuania, right? And I've been a very big fan of this country. Very good people, very good artists, I'm just here for the music, here for the culture, everything. Because look at this. My country, Jamaica, I can tell you all that. My country, Jamaica, hasn't really tapping into Lithuanians music. Okay, so I'm just here to explore. I'm here to understand what has been taking place when it comes on to the musical part of the culture. Right, so if you guys have anything that you want to teach me down below in the comments, then feel free to leave your comments, and let's all learn about each other. So one question: do anyone who's watching this video knows our Jamaican legend Bob Marley? And also, people, we are gonna check out Katarsis. Big up to all the Katarsis fans out there. You guys are the best. I love you all so much. You guys are showing so much support on my page, bro. It's immensely gorgeous. Okay, so we're gonna react to the song called Tavo, Akys choir version. With this being said, let's see what's up. Peace. Alrighty then. Okay. So the instrumental sounds good. The guitar playing is literally good. The era where this video was shot, it's also beautiful. It's giving me a very good vibe. It's giving me a very heartwarming spirit. The voice is unique though. The voice is unique. It's giving me a uniqueness of it. I never heard such beautiful voice before coming from a man rather. So it's booming, bro. It's booming. Rap! Oh my god! That's actually fucking awesome. Bro, the vocalist is here right here. He's a darn vocalist, bro. The vocals are insane. Oh my goodness! Hey, to be frank with everyone, I'm a music lover. I love music. And if a music should be doing as it should, it's gonna go bizarre for me. Right? And this is a very good music. Like, it's mind blowing! Oh my god! Yo, the dude is killing it, dog. He's killing it without even trying, without even breaking a sweat. Lithuanians, you guys are very good musicians out there. Very good musicians, and I do appreciate the level that your music is so sufficingly amazing. It's giving that vibe, it's giving that energetic feeling, it's giving that mood, to let you have an extraordinary day today, bro. Like, damn, bro, I ain't gonna lie. Lithuanians, you guys came out this time, I ain't gonna lie. Last year was dope, but this time it's even doper. got incredible guitar skills, dog. Yo, the bro is on his beat. He never misses a beat, bro. It's like an heart. Alright, when the heart misses a beat, then everything gets fucked. But this bro is on the beat, man. He's on the beat. He knows it. Oh my god! Rap, 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 rap! Yo, that's crazy, dog. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. No! No way! No way! Yo! What an amazing performance this is, bro. This choir is freaking good. No comparison been here, bro. None! None! This guy deserves an Oscar. He deserves a trophy, bro. He deserves an award because ain't no freaking way was on that tone with the guitar playing with such a long time, man. No way, bro. That's gonna be some long practices, bro. Ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be some long practices. Like, bro, he kills it. He nails it. Whoa, I gotta say, bro, he did it. He did it. He nailed it. He nailed it. He nailed it. So to all the Lithuanians who are watching this video, you know, you guys have done well. That video is a magnificence. That's a masterpiece right here. That is a masterpiece right here, bro. He nailed it because, you know, with this type of music, it shall be legendary. It shall be put into the legendary stats because it's giving that legendary vibe. Trust me. Trust me, bro. You've done well. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, you know, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video, bro. Stay tuned, man.